Hey everyone, welcome back to AI in Action. Are you drowning in to-do lists, project tabs, and sticky notes everywhere? Today I'll show you how to completely automate your workflow using just one tool, ClickUp AI. Let's go! Most of us are juggling 3 to 5 apps daily. Trello for task management, Notion for notes, Docs for writing, and something else for tracking goals. But what if one AI-powered workspace could do all of that, and more? ClickUp is already a powerful productivity app. But now, with ClickUp AI, it takes things to the next level. With ClickUp, you can draft emails, write blogs and social captions, create task lists, summarize meeting notes, generate project plans from scratch, all using simple AI prompts tailored for freelancers, teams, or business owners. Let me show you how this works. 1. Open a ClickUp doc. Choose Write with AI. 2. Select your goal, blog post, task list, SOP, etc. 3. Click Generate. Boom! Done. 4. Assign tasks, set deadlines, and even auto-track progress, all from the same space. You can even build automation workflows. 1. When a task is marked done, auto-email your client. 2. Reminders triggered by deadlines. 3. Weekly summary emails, generated automatically. This is how AI workflow automation should feel. 1. Simple, fast, and powerful. 2. And most importantly, it saves hours. Whether you're a content creator, student, or entrepreneur, this tool adapts to you. So, if you're tired of app switching and ready to optimize your productivity, give ClickUp AI a shot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools that save you time. This is AI in Action. See you in the next video.